So students, we completed the chapter number 5 and we also done the back exercise question number 6 and question number 11. Now today we will discuss the NCERT question answer. Open page number 56. Page number 56. So the first question is, state the difference between acid and bases. So yes, Nikita.
Acids are sour in taste and bases are bitter in taste.
And second point.
Acid bitter in taste. Acid turns base is
bases are soapy to touch, but acids are not soapy.
Yes, it is soapy to touch. And these are not soapy. So, students, you will form the sentence. Okay? You will form the sentence. Clear? Now, next third point. Ranvi.
Acids are made from acidic substance and basics are from basic substance.
It is not that much correct that it is correct, but I don't think so that we can write it in the acids are present in acidic substances, you can say, and bases are present in basic substances.
Ma'am, acids are soluble in water and basics cannot be.
Bases are also soluble. Some bases are soluble. Don't worry, I will tell you. NaOH is soluble. Listen to me. Just जैसे कि soap है, it is also contain base, but it is not that much soluble. Okay, वो थोड़ा सा, but NaOH. So you can say some bases are soluble and some are not soluble. Yeah, that you will learn in the previous classes also. Sorry, in the next class. Sorry. So now next.
Can be an example.
Now next, what is the fact of now the third point can be that there is into turns the turmeric pepper into turns turmeric into
red.
And in the case of acid,
No change.
in color.
No change.
No change in color.
And the next will be
Acid change blue litmus paper to red.
very good. Acid
And
change the blue.
bases change red.
Acid is defined.
Blue change
Acid is defined as a substance
base
which contains
change-
hydrochloric acid.
And the bases change red litmus to blue. Yes, so yeah, here you will write litmus. And the next is fifth point. What is the effect of phenolphthalein? Manraj. You know the fifth point, बच्चे phenolphthalein. What is the color of base? कौन सा color देता है? Phenolphthalein.
मैं अपना पॉइंट बताना चाहता हूँ.
हाँ जी.
Some acids are harmful to our body, but bases are not harmful to our body.
Bases are also harmful, बच्चे. We have discussed already in the first lecture that कि bases भी harmful होते हैं. Strong bases हैं, वो भी irritation cause करते हैं. It is not a difference. Yeah, बच्चे. It's okay. Now the fifth point, the effect of phenolphthalein. Rohan Gabla, what is the effect of phenolphthalein on base?
Effect of phenolphthalein on acid is colorless and base it changes into pink.
Yes. So here you can write phenolphthalein. Changes on the basis down the phenolphthalein pink. By the use of phenolphthalein, it gives pink color with the base, and there is no change, or you can write color
colorless.
Clear? On when the in this case the turn it turns the basis turn the phenolphthalein into which color? Pink color. And in the case of acid there is no change, or you can write colorless. Clear? Now next, coming to the third one. Name the source from which litmus solution is obtained. What is the use of this solution? Yes, very easy question. Preeti Makkar.
एक्सक्यूज मी मैम मैंने पिछले क्वेश्चन के लिए किया था हैंड रेस.
It's okay. Please lower your hands. Krish बच्चे. Litmus solution हमें कहाँ से obtain? From where we get the litmus solution? Very easy. Yes, you can unmute.
Ma'am, lichens.
It is lichens. Okay, so the answer is lichens. And what is its use? Firstly, you will write that we obtain it from lichens. And what is its use? Then you will write its use. Yes, Preeti.
Ma'am, it's the difference between acids and bases.
Yes.
To indicate
It is used to find acid and basic.
Yes.
I'm used to see the difference between acids and base.
Very good. So the use of lichen is that it acts as indicator. Okay, and it will tell us whether the solution is acidic or basic. Here it will give different colors. Okay, therefore we can use it as indicator. Now next is question number 4. Is that Simranjot Kaur? Bachcha read the question number 4.
Ma'am, question number 4 is the distilled water acidic, basic, neutral? How would you verify it?
So distilled water is obtained by a special process. Okay, and yes, Vanshika.
Distilled water is neutral. I would verify it through litmus paper. I will check it and the color will be purple and it is litmus paper. It is distilled water.
Vanshika bache, I will tell you that the distilled water hai, it is neutral in nature. Okay, it is not acidic, not basic. It is neutral. Clear? अबे हम how would you verify that? पहले हमें ये तो पता लगा कि distilled water क्या है? Neutral है. Now we have to verify it. How we can verify it? We can use litmus paper. By using the litmus paper, we can verify. Clear? And on using the litmus paper, what will happen? There will be no change. If there is no change on the blue and red litmus both, then it is neutral in nature. Clear? Na red change hoga, na blue change hoga. So it means it is neutral in nature. Okay, firstly we'll dip in red. There is no change. So अगर सबसे पहले मैंने इसको डिप किया रेड कलर में, सॉरी रेड लिटमस पेपर डिप किया इसमें, then there will be no change. And if we dip the litmus paper into distilled water again, blue litmus paper use करें, then what will happen? There is no change. So it means that distilled water is neutral in nature. I am repeating again. Distilled water is neutral in nature. How we can verify it? We can verify it by using the litmus paper. And what we will do now? We will dip that litmus paper into distilled water. Okay, firstly we will choose the red one, then we will choose the blue one. उसको distilled water में dip करना है. So but you will observe there will be no change. Okay, so the distilled water is neutral in nature. Clear? Hence we can verify it. Now next coming to the question number 5. Yes, Mamika Jain. Please repeat. Please read the question number 5. It is answer number.
Describe the process of neutralization with the help of an example.
Very good. So,
The neutralization is a process reaction between an acid and bases. Here, both acids and bases get neutralizations. For example, when sodium hydroxide is added to the hydrochloric acid,
good.
sodium chloride and water are obtained.
very good, Mamika. So, in the neutralization reaction, what will happen? What is neutralization reaction? The reaction between acid
And base.
acid and base. And what it will produce?
Salt and water.
It will produce water.
Salt and water.
Salt
and water.
Salt and water.
Students, please listen to me carefully. So in this you will write point. The first point will be the reaction between acid and base, and the second you will write that it produces salt and water. And the third point will be, what is the important thing? Heat is required or heat is released?
Heat is evolved.
It is evolved.
Yes, very good. Heat is release or involved. Now, next, you have to write the reaction also. You have to explain it with an example. So this is the 3 points that you will write in the starting. Then we will come to the reaction part. Clear? The common reaction is known to you that the common reaction is acid plus base gives salt and water.
And water.
Yes. So in this, what we will do, it is the example that acid plus base gives salt plus water. Here, and the example that is given in your book also, it is given on page number
55.
Yes, it is given on page number 55. It is written in bold, neutralization, and here next is written acid plus base gives salt plus water, and then you will write the example here. That hydrochloric acid plus base, that is sodium hydroxide. Sodium hydroxide. It will give. What it will give? It will give sodium chloride. Very good.
Sodium chloride.
Very good. Sodium chloride is common salt. Sodium chloride plus
Water. Plus water.
Students, you have to learn the word equation only. Clear? It is clear to you? Neutralization is reaction is clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Very good.
Ma'am.
Kindly get aside.
Okay, now next. Next is Dorji has a few bottles of soft drink in his restaurant, but unfortunately these are not labeled. He has to serve the drinks on the demand of the customers. One customer wants acidic drink, another wants basic drink, and the third one wants a neutral drink. How will Dorji decide which drink is to be served to whom? तो इसमें क्या है, डॉर्जी को पता नहीं है कि उसने कौन सी सॉफ्ट ड्रिंक किसको देनी है। 3 नेचर की सॉफ्ट ड्रिंक है, एसिडिक, बेसिक एंड न्यूट्रल। ठीक है, जो फर्स्ट कस्टमर है उसको चाहिए एसिडिक, सेकंड कस्टमर को मींस के अनदर कस्टमर बेसिक एंड द थर्ड वन न्यूट्रल। क्लियर? हाउ वी कैन फाइंड इट दैट कौन सी ड्रिंक हमें किसको देनी चाहिए? कैन यू टेल मी हाउ वी कैन वेरी by using litmus paper? Very good, yes. Please answer. Janvi Dhingra.
Ma'am, by using blue litmus paper in acids, blue litmus paper will change into red, and in bases there will be no change. If we will use red litmus paper in acids, there will be no change, and in bases it will change into blue.
Very good. And if there is no effect on red one also and blue one also, what is the type?
It is neutral.
It will be neutral.
Very good, neutral. Okay, listen now. Very good, Janvi bache. So how you can write? It is very easy to answer it. What you will do? You will write using a litmus paper. The simple answer will be the answer for 7th one. You will firstly write simple the litmus paper. Friends, you will make proper sentence. I told you in the starting also that you will. And now, which turns red litmus to blue? It is which type of drink?
Acidic.
Acidic.
Basic, very good. So if I take the next one, that the drink which turns blue litmus to red.
Acidic.
Blue litmus to red.
Acidic.
Acidic, very good.
Acidic.
And the third point will be
If no change in
Drink which
any
didn't
in
change
blue
on
or
both
red litmus paper,
Neutral.
it is a neutral.
the drink which didn't change on litmus is known as neutral.
okay, very good. Next in the third point you will write the drink that has no effect on red and blue. It is neutral. Clear? Answer number 7 is clear to you?
हम इसमें हम टेस्ट के अकॉर्डिंगली लिख सकते हैं, जैसे एसिड्स आर sour in taste and bases are bitter.
Yes, you can use that thing also. But I think जो correct है या litmus paper से ज़्यादा आपको clarity हो जाती है.
मैम न्यूट्रल कौन से टेस्ट में होते हैं?
हाँ जी, न्यूट्रल का कोई टेस्ट नहीं होता, जैसे कि वाटर इज
No
न्यूट्रल.
taste.
ओके
नाउ द नेक्स्ट इज
मैम अगर एक्सक्यूज मी मैम
Yes.
वाटर का अगर टीडीएस कम या ज्यादा तो मैम वाटर का टेस्ट तो कुछ और अलग होता ही है.
अगर वाटर का क्या है पीएच?
मैम टीडीएस.
टीडीएस?
यस मैम वाटर का टीडीएस होता है, अगर वो कम या ज्यादा हो तो उसके
Anur, your voice is not audible to me. You can write in the chat box what you are asking.
मैम वाटर का मैम टीडीएस होता है, जो मैम अगर वाटर का टीडीएस कम हो तो मैम थोड़ा मीठा मीठा स्वाद आता है, और मैम ज्यादा हो तो थोड़ा मैम नॉर्मल टेस्ट.
It is due to the removal of salts also. कि उसमें से the tap water tastes different from the RO water because there are some substances that are removed from it. Clear?
ओके मैम.
हाँ जी. During this filtration process, there are some things there are some impurities that are removed. So there is a change in the taste of that water also. Clear बच्चे?
फिर मैम
ऐसे water का कोई
कि
ऐसा
आपका
taste नहीं
वाटर
है.
का. ओके मैम.
Now next coming to the question number 8, explain why this question number 8 is very important. Question number 8, the A part is an antacid tablet is taken when you suffer from acidity. Yes, I will take the answer from Krish. Yes, bache. Your voice is not coming, bache.
An antacid tablet is taken when you suffer from acidity because the chemicals present in antacid is basics, and when we suffer from acidity, it means that the amount of acids is increased in our body. So to get released from this problem, we use a basis so that it will is opposite from acid and it will form the process of neutralization.
Okay, very good. So we will write the answer in a proper way. Clear? So students, how you can write? Firstly, you will write acidity is caused by. What is the cause? Then you will come to the cure. What is its cure? Okay, you will write in proper manner. Okay, and then you will write that there is neutralization reaction that is taking place. Okay, and the excess acid is neutralized by the base. Clear? So how you can write? Please see here carefully. So I'm just giving you a hint that how can you can write the answer. Clear? So acidity is caused by. Firstly, you will write it is caused by. Yes, Imranjot. It is caused by which acid? What is the name of that acid? Yes, friendly, bache, you can answer.
Hydrochloric acid.
And it is present in
Stomach.
very good. So it is caused by the excessive production of hydrochloric acid. Excessive production of hydrochloric acid in stomach. Here, how you can cure it? By taking antacids. Here, then you will write the cure here. That we can cure it by using antacid, that is milk of magnesia. Okay, that is also called magnesium hydroxide. Milk of magnesia. Here, students, you can also write the what happens when we take it. That it causes indigestion and it causes acidity. Here you can write, after this one you can write it causes acidity and indigestion. Then you will write the cure. Okay, irritation होती है, indigestion होता है, acidity होती है. Then you will write the cure. Please note this point that cause, it is caused by excessive hydrochloric acid, and then you will write it will cause acidity, indigestion and pain in your stomach. Then come to the cure. Clear? Then next what will happen? The excessive acid will react with the base and it neutralizes the effect of excessive acid that is present. Clear? Clear? If you have any doubt in this question, you can ask. You have to frame the answer. Yes, Rohan Gaba? Okay, there is no doubt then. Now next B part, calamine solution is applied on the skin when an ant bites. Yes, Dhruv? Bache, please fill the attendance form also. I pasted it in the chat box. Yes, bache.
When the ant injects formic acid into the skin, which can be cured by applying calamine solution on our skin, which will act as a base and preventers.
Yes, and it will neutralize the effect of the excessive acid. So one point you can add here that it causes the irritation and swelling. Okay, then you will write the cure. Clear? Clear to you? And the calamine solution also contains zinc carbonate. It is very important to mention. Clear, which is basic in nature. Then you will write it will neutralize the effect. Clear? पहले हमें लिखना है cause क्या कर रहा है? Formic acid. ठीक है? That is present in the ant bite. Then you will write what it is causing. It is causing harm to your skin. It is causing irritation, swelling. Then you will come to the cure. That is, you will apply the calamine solution that contains zinc carbonate, which is a base, and the excessive acid will be neutralized by that base. Clear? It is clear to you? Show a thumbs up if it is clear. Okay, bache. Now next is, why is factory waste neutralized before depositing it into water bodies? हम क्या है वेस्ट को थ्रो करने से पहले वाटर बॉडीज में थ्रो करने से पहले हम उसको न्यूट्रलाइज क्यों करते हैं? Why? Please raise your hand. Prachi, बच्चे please answer. Okay, Janvi will answer. I think Prachi ने leave कर दिया. Yes, Janvi बच्चे.
Factory waste is neutralized before depositing it into the water bodies because the waste of many factories contain acids. If they are allowed to flow into the water bodies, the acids will kill fish and other organisms.
Okay, very
Hence,
good.
they are neutralized.
You want to add something?
Hence, they are neutralized by adding basic substances.
Very good, very good. So, can you name them? What is the name of that basic substance that we add? Anyone? But these three answers are already given on page number 55. So you can take help from your book also. Okay, these are already written. See the page number 55. So in the case of the factory waste also, it contains so many acids that can be harmful for the fish and other organisms. So to prevent this, we neutralize it by adding base, and the base is, you can add lime into it, okay, before discarding that water into the water bodies. Please note down that the basic substance that you can add is lime. Clear? It is clear to you all? But if you have any doubt up to these question answer, you can ask. Please fill the Google form also.